Morning children, welcome to biology session. So yesterday we have started microorganisms part 2 introduction. So today we are going to start with fermentation topic. We are going to learn what is fermentation, what is yeast, and the preparation of dough by yeast powder, what changes you will be seeing in the dough when you are adding yeast powder. Okay? Yes. So, for this, first of all, we have to know what is fermentation, children. So, fermentation is nothing but the chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms, typically involving effervescence, that is nothing but bubbles or liquid, and the giving of heat. Yeast, what is yeast? A microscopic fungus consisting of single oval cells that reproduce by budding and capable of converting sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. So this yeast is converting sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Yeast is a single cellular microorganism, children. That means the lifespan is very less, and single cell will perform all the activities. So this helps in preparation of alcohol, bread, and many things. Coming to the experiment. So, in this experiment, the aim of the experiment is to show the process of fermentation by using yeast. Apparatus or materials required are yeast powder, 100 grams of maida, hot water. Coming to the procedure of the experiment, children. Take 100 grams of maida in a bowl, add 1 or 2 spoons of yeast powder, add some hot water and make a dough. Keep the dough in a warm place. Observe the dough after 3 to 4 hours. What changes do you observe in the dough? What might be the reason? You might have observed your mother preparing fermented foods like idli and dosa. What will happen? What will be the reason of preparing idli and dosa dough one day before? Why they are preparing one day before? Why it is not instant? So, let's see with the observation. Let's go with the observation. What happens after 3 to 4 hours? Yes, the dough rises. Yes, children, in this way. See, because we are adding yeast powder, the dough is rising up. So, in this figure, yeast was added to maida dough, placed in the cup. So, you are seeing the change here. So, the result will be the dough rises due to fermentation process. See, fermentation. As we have already discussed about fermentation, this is the fermentation seen in the dough. So, in bakery, when yeast is added to the dough for preparing bread, the dough rises. This is due to the production of carbon dioxide gas during the process of fermentation, children. So, bubbles of the gas fill the dough, increase its volume and make it spongy in nature. See, this is spongy in nature. Hence, the fermentation process is proved by using maida. I hope you understood the experiment. In the next class, we are going to do one more experiment on fermentation. Coming to the assignment. Here you have 4 questions. I wanted you to answer all 4 questions. Define what is yeast. Define fermentation. What are unicellular organisms? Mention their characteristic features. Prove the process of fermentation by using maida. So, here you write all aim, apparatus, procedure, observation and result. In this way you write 4th answer. I hope you understood the class and enjoyed, children. Thank you.